Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pray the Neighborhood. First, gather your friends, as this is a trick-taking card game designed for 3 to 4 players. To begin, each player rolls 2 dice to determine their individual trick-winning goals for the round. Remember, if you roll a 6, you can choose to aim for either 6 tricks or 0 tricks. Next, shuffle the deck of 48 cards and deal 12 cards to each player. The player with the lowest total on their dice goes first. The game unfolds over 12 tricks, split into 2 distinct phases. The first 6 tricks are called the Predator phase. During this time, you will play your cards using the Darker or Predator number printed on them. The starting player leads with any card, establishing the lead suit. Going clockwise, each subsequent player must play a card of that same suit if they have one. If not, they may play any card from their hand. The highest card of the lead suit wins the trick. Once the first 6 Predator tricks are complete, all players simultaneously flip their entire hand of cards over. Now, for the next 6 tricks, you will use the lighter or prey numbers on the cards. The gameplay continues just as before, with players following suit if they can. After all 12 tricks have been played, each player counts the total number of tricks they have won. If this number matches either of your 2 dice goals, you successfully earn 1 point. The goal of Pray the Neighborhood is to be the first player to successfully earn 2 points. If, by chance, multiple players achieve 2 points in the same round, they all share the victory. However, if no one has reached 2 points after a complete round of 12 tricks, simply re-roll your dice to set new goals, reshuffle the cards, and deal a new hand to play another round. This engaging game typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete, making it perfect for a quick and fun session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.